si Boss.
Yes, sir.
Pakpokin naman. Kahit na
Well, sa Cebu, we're gonna visit some grassroots areas and play basketball. To visit yung mga hindi masyado napupunta ng mga artista. To give them a konting entertainment. Kasama natin yung mga ibang celebrity ballers ng the third floor celebrity team. So, yun, I'm very excited. Pinaghahandaan na namin kasi yung isang game naman ay I think will be competitive dahil mga idol tayo dyan na maglalaro. So yun, I think the boys are excited also. I think lahat ay ready and I think we're ready to go. Ang tanong lang, is Mike ready to go?
Other than the game, ano pa yung inaabangan mo? Gusto mong makita sa Cebu?
Ay, Cebu is very beautiful, grabe. All day talagang and then pupunta kami sa isang hindi ko pa napupuntahan, like Ball, which is very beautiful. Excited ako kumain ng lechon. Excited ako to see the people from Cebu kasi napaka-warm nila. And just every time na pumunta kami sa Cebu, sobrang nakaka-enjoy. And it's near the water, it's near the ocean, and you know, we get to do it with friends and family. Kasama yung dad ko. Yun lang, unfortunately, kasama natin si Mike, but papakainin na natin siya ng lechon tsaka kung ano-ano mga donut, mga ganyan.
So, see you guys there?
Alright, see you guys there!
Number 3,